Let's see, can I get this ceiling fan to move with my chi? As y'all can see, it's off. It's not moving. I have to get up to pull it. Okay, I will literally have to pull the string. It's not remote control at all. So just know that. Okay. It's moving a little bit. It looks like. Y'all see? I'm moving it. I'm moving it, y'all. Y'all see? Y'all see it turning slow? Oh man, this is so cool. It's going slow, but it's turning. Know that if it was I'm turning it, y'all. Y'all see that? I'm doing this with my chi. No cap. If it was on, it'd be moving, y'all. This is me doing this. I know it's not the unit or the air or nothing, because if that's the case, it would have been turning, okay? So, miss me with the shenanigans. Y'all see me? I'm doing this with my chi. I'm focusing on it, and I'm focusing on the ceiling fan moving. Now, y'all see it stopped again, right? It's not moving. Let me see, can I turn it again? Here we go. Come on, baby. This is so cool, y'all. I was just laying here and I was like, wait a minute, am I moving this ceiling fan? Am I tripping? And I'm not. Like, yeah, I'm recording. It's okay. Y'all see it? I'm moving it again. Hold on, I'm trying. Yeah, it look like it's trying to move again. Hold on. Come on. Y'all see I just did it though, right? I wish she could I do it again. This is so cool, y'all. This is so cool. I told y'all our abilities are getting stronger. Now, come on. Okay, I gotta get back in focus, y'all, because that was not easy. But here we go. Oh, this is so cool. Oh, come on. It was moving. Okay, come on, baby. I think I'm focusing too hard. Hold on. Y'all see that I'm doing this though, right? I got my I got my hand right here trying to guide it too. So yeah, I see I got my hand right here using my hand, the chief of my hand. Okay? Y'all see it moving? That's me doing that. It's so cool, yo. Oh my goodness. It looked like it's moving to me. I'm about to go back and watch this because am I seeing it move or is it really moving? I gotta look at the video because I gotta make sure I'm seeing what I'm seeing because it's moving. I'm looking at it move, but is it moving? I gotta go watch the video to make sure, y'all. But I'm looking at this thing move. Okay, let's try it one more time and I'm gonna leave y'all alone. This is so cool. Y'all see it stop, right? So when it moves slowly like that, it's me doing it with my cheek. Okay? So let's do this again. Let's see. Come on now. This is so freaking cool. Okay, it's barely moving, but it's moving. It's moving slow. So y'all know it's not. Let me show y'all how it go even if I turn it on one notch, okay? So y'all can see that if I had it on one notch, how fast it'll move. I literally have to do this to turn this thing on. That's the lowest. That's the lowest, okay? So when it was moving, this is medium. It got 3 speeds. This is high. Okay, so I was moving. Barely moving it, but I was moving it with my motherfucking cheese. Till next time. Bye now.